I absolutely refuse to come here this evening and give a regular, normal, run-of-the-mill tribute to the fallen soldier, Captain Horace Burrell. I refuse to be overwhelmed by the shock and the sadness of his passing. But just as a capo, as an administrator, as a Jamaican, and as a black man, has been an inspiration to me, and I dare say should be an inspiration to every ambitious Jamaican. Specific to his football leadership, Capo was in a class of his own. For sure, we had disagreements here and there, but fundamentally, Capo has had my support for almost his entire stewardship of the nation's football. Jamaica's football gained acceptance and respectability locally and internationally because of the vision, the foresight, and the work of Captain Horace Burrell. But instead of weeping and mourning, I am sure the captain would much prefer if we just continue the work he started. The football-loving people of Jamaica must put our hands and hearts together to build on the captain's legacy, which is highlighted by one historic Senior World Cup final qualification and 3 junior appearances. Let us put our differences aside and in tribute to the captain, try to elevate the nation's football to where the captain dreamt it could be. In the words of American televangelist Billy Graham, the greatest legacy that one can pass on to one's children and grandchildren is not money or material things, but rather a legacy of character and faith.
This is from a fallen
We
soldier.
salute you, fallen soldier.